Welcome to your health channel. 10 steps that can naturally balance your hormones. Welcome to your channel. Your hormones can be balanced with the aid of some organic foods. Almost every facet of how we feel is influenced by hormones. Fat, carbohydrate, and protein are nutrients that all contribute to the balance and function of hormones. On the other hand, certain meals, like sugar, white bread, potatoes, and alcohol, might negatively affect your hormones. Try including these 10 foods in your diet if you want to maintain your hormones balanced naturally. Number 1. Avocado. Avocados can assist in controlling stress hormones. They may also affect the hormones that regulate menstruation. There is a lot of beta-sitosterol in avocados. This may have an impact on blood cholesterol levels and contribute to cortisol balancing. Avocados include plant sterols, which may also affect progesterone and estrogen levels. The ovulation and menstrual cycles are regulated by these two hormones. Number 2. Broccoli. Numerous health advantages of broccoli. Your hormones may also be more balanced as a result. This cruciferous food can keep the balance of estrogen in check. It also contains a lot of calcium and is beneficial for PMS. Phytoestrogenic substances found in broccoli support a healthy estrogen metabolism. It aids in the body's elimination of harmful estrogens. However, broccoli isn't the only vegetable that can do this. The following cruciferous vegetables are also beneficial: kale, cauliflower, bok choy, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and turnips. Number 3. Nuts. Almonds are one type of nut that affects the endocrine system. This may help to reduce cholesterol levels. They can also support maintaining blood sugar levels and reducing insulin. Polyphenols are particularly present in walnuts. These can safeguard our circulatory system and heart by scavenging free radicals within our bodies. Additionally, it possesses anti-inflammatory qualities. They are beneficial for brain health and are high in omega-3. Number 4. Flaxseed. Your hormones can benefit greatly from flaxseed in a variety of ways. In exam, the action of estrogen is imitated by curcumin. Consequently, it can lessen menstruation pain, including cramps. Number 5. Salmon. Salmon is a great source of healthy lipids for intercellular communication. This may result in improved hormonal communication overall. It may also result in better mood and cognitive function. Turmeric. Number 6. Inflammation can be effectively treated with turmeric. It contains the active component curcumin, which has a wide range of therapeutic benefits. The action of estrogen is imitated by curcumin. Consequently, it can lessen menstruation pain, including cramps. Number 7. Leaf greens. The best foods for balancing hormones are those that are nutrient-rich, such leafy greens. They contain lots of antioxidants. Consequently, they can aid in reducing inflammation and reduced stress, which might help raise cortisol levels. They may also support keeping the estrogen balance in check. Additionally, a wonderful supply of iron are leafy greens like spinach and kale. Fatigue, headaches, and brain fog are symptoms of iron deficiency that can be a problem. Thus, leafy greens can be beneficial. Number 8. Pomegranate. Antioxidants are plentiful in pomegranates. It may aid in preventing the body from producing too much estrogen. Therefore, pomegranate may have the potential to prevent breast tumors that are estrogen responsive. Number 9. Soy. While soy consumption can have certain advantages, it also impacts estrogen levels, particularly during the menopause. In tiny doses, tofu can mimic the effects of estrogen in menopausal women. This may lessen symptoms like hot flushes. Because soy can imitate estrogen in the body, it may also help some people lower their chance of developing breast cancer. Number 10. Quinoa. A complex carbohydrate is quinoa. It can aid in stabilizing blood sugar levels, which inhibits the production of insulin and androgen. Quinoa also offers other advantages. It is a fantastic source of fiber and protein. Eating a well-balanced diet of healthful foods can help you maintain hormonal equilibrium. Keep watching our channel and stay healthy.